Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow traders, investors. A very, very warm welcome to our new stream. Every week, we basically share our trading ideas, and I hope these trading ideas have helped you substantially to reach your financial destinations, your journey. Every trader's journey is quite different from another. Again, our objective by having this stream is to make sure that all investors know how to invest their money and makes a profitable trade for themselves. Welcome to the stream, dear investors. My name is Akash Malhotra, and I'll be your financial analyst for today's stream. I'm very happy to see you because whatever we discussed in the last week, entire analysis that we had were exactly the way that we wanted it to be. So there were a lot of moments in the financial market which we have seen the market was exceptionally performing, and you can see some of the results that we have taken the trades in the last week, and we were basically ended ourselves on the profitable front. Welcome to the next stream. Let me know in the comment section how do you feel about today's stream. I'm more than happy to assist you in your trading journey. Your questions are something that we are here to assist you with. Your questions can be regarding fixed time trading, forex trading, stocks market analysis. This is all we're gonna do in today's conversation. In today's conversation, we'll be specifically talking about what are the major trading ideas that recently happened into the last week, and what could be the potential entry points that we possibly could had if we had taken the good chances. And in the upcoming days, we will be having staggering performance of the market as well. So be prepared for today's analysis. This is myself again, Akash Malhotra, and I'll be sharing my insights about the financial market. Let me know in the comment section how do you feel about today's stream. Any questions if you have, your questions have been highly welcome. We'll wait for I think a minute or two for a few more clients to join in, and we will start our analysis. Till the point, dear traders, let me know which one is your best trading idea. I mean, have you taken trades in fixed time trading, forex, and how was your week performance? Were we able to increase our capital or not? That's the most important part. A lot of traders, when we had this conversation with the clients in entirely this week, I felt a positive response from them. They use different trading techniques. Let me know in the comment section which trading techniques do you use, and do you use any strategy which has benefited you in the longer run. In today's heat maps conversation, I'll be sharing my insights, how the market reacted in the last complete day and even a week before, and what are our projections regarding currency pairs and everything. So again, welcome to the stream, dear investors. Pradeep ji joined this session, said hi. Hello Pradeep ji. Pradeep ji is one of my oldest client with whom I had this absolute opportunity to have conversation. Welcome to the stream, Pradeep ji. I'm welcome you behalf from the financial analyst team. Pradeep ji said, Sarji, can I my deposit issue? I didn't get your question, Pradeep ji. If you can elaborate your questions, I'll be more than happy. मिस्टर आशीष जी सेठ, सर भाई मेरा विड्रॉल में 2843 अटक गए हैं, अगर यूज़ नहीं उसे नहीं निकाला तो मैं केस कर लूँगा आपके ऊपर. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द डिसअपॉइंटमेंट दैट यू फेस. Ashish ji, so the company has been working, let me tell you that we have been working from close to 11 years, and we are committed to assist you in every possible ways. If you have any questions regarding your deposit, reach out to the support team. The support team will try to escalate you. Remember, dear traders, so deposit is something which is can happen because of the technical reasons, but there is absolutely nothing to worry about. If you have questions regarding deposit, go to help option, provide support, raise your concern to the support team. They will escalate your concern. A task will be created, and our team will take from that onwards. Make sure you forward all the details there, and we will be trying to assist you. Ashishi, there is nothing to worry about. If you specifically need your assistance regarding deposit or a callback, uh, if you can see, there is an option here. You can go to profile option, type your trader ID in the comment section, and I'll make sure that our concerned department will reach out to you and will try to help you. Mr. Baljeet ji said hi. Good evening, Baljeet ji. Welcome to the session. ओके आशीष जी से भाई इस गेम को मत खेलो एकदम फ्रॉड गेम है इसमें मेरी 2883 फंसा दिए हैं ये बिल्कुल है भाई ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्कुल है एंड आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द डिसअपॉइंटमेंट कमेंट आशीष जी कंपनी इज बीन वर्किंग फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम although we may feel like our amount has been stuck forever, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Let me tell you on the very honest side. Let me know your trader ID in the comment section with the deposit request. I'll make sure that the support department get in contact with you and will try to resolve your concerns and priority. And dear traders, do not worry about anything at all. We wanted to make sure that everything is on the transparent side, and that is what we are dealing with. Everything that you can see in your trading account is been completely Olymptrade being honest. If you have any further questions, please reach out to the support team. They will be more than happy to assist you. Uh, Mr. Abhijit ji Prajapat ji said my deposit has been cancelled. Please share my payments to my account. Please help me my Paytm. Abhijit ji, as I told you, please make sure you reach out to the support team. Dear traders, let me know in the comment section how many of you are facing deposit issues. If there are, let me know your trader ID. As I have told you, go to this profile option here, click on the trader ID and put into the comment section. Our team will get in touch with you on priority. Do not worry about that at all. Mr. Vidyut ji said, hello Vidyut ji, good evening sir. Danesh ji said, hello sir, my withdrawal 3 days in processing. I'm very sorry that you felt. Danesh ji, when you place a withdrawal request on Saturdays, Sundays, these can take a considerable amount of time. So when you are taking or placing a withdrawal request, make sure you do not take a withdrawal on Saturday and Sunday. And to all my traders, your money is been 100% safe with Olymptrade. Your amount which is have been earned, deposit or withdrawal, it's been created into your bank account and trading account as well. Yeah, there are some instances on around 2% we have seen that clients were facing deposit or withdrawal issues, but no system can work 100% efficiently. To give you an idea about that, reach out to the support team. They will be able to assist you effectively. I recently had a conversation where the clients were happy with the performance from the support team. Mr. Baljeet ji, I get you a question. Please let me know your trader ID in the comment section. I'll make sure our support team get in touch with you. Uh, Mr. Baljeet ji, I had answered to your question. Thank you very much. Mr. Salman ji said, hello, good evening, sir. Mr. Dhanesh ji, as I have told you, Saturday, Sundays can take a considerable amount of time, but nothing to worry about. It will be created on priority. Reach out to the support team. Mr. Praveen ji said, is silver will down now from the current price? That's the question that I'm expecting from here. Thank you very much for asking this question. Yeah, in my opinion, we will talk about these financial markets and I'll tell you what recently happened in the last week where we will have a better idea about the financial market and more chances of understanding it effectively. Mr. Saurav Patil ji said how to trade best of the best. It's based on the strategy that you selected. No trading strategy can be 100% accurate all the time. But again, it is based on the analysis or the strategy or the technical approach that you are using or willing to use on that particular moment, which will be helping you out a lot better. Mr. Tinush Singh ji said, hello sir, good evening Tinush ji. Mr. Samir ji said, good evening Samir ji, bro, will the trade function? Let me know, sir. I didn't still get your question. Please clarify your question in the comment section. We'll be happy to assist you. Best app is Olymptrade, which I'm using from a short period of time. It's been 6 years that I'm working here with Olymptrade as a financial analyst, and our job is to assist you to trade effectively, irrespective of the market conditions there. Mr. Dhanesh ji said, problem why, sir? You can reach out to the support team, Mr. Dhanesh, as I have suggested it to you. That would be, they will be having an access to your account and they will be effectively able to share all the details with you. There's nothing to worry about. Tanish just said which asset is good for binary. Let me tell you, Tanish, Olymptrade doesn't provide binary trading. It provides fixed time trading, forex, and stock. That's where you can take the trade. Unfortunately, Olymptrade doesn't provide binary trading. So, uh, which time is best for trading? So it based from person to person. I usually take the trades from in the morning where the market been little less on the volatile side. That's where I usually take my trades on, analyze the market, see the market behavior, and based on that I take the trade. If you want to look into my trading history for today, these are my trading history. Not every trade of ours is on the profitable side, but maximum we basically try to recover our capital using the martingale approach. And at the same time, we have accuracy slightly elevated greater than 55% in general. So yeah, fixed time trade, forex, and as I've told you, stocks. So you have a wide variety of stocks available to use it for your benefit. These are our recent trades. Let's talk about market analysis, guys. Thank you for staying ahead, and thank you for your valuable comment. Pradeep ji said, "Hello Akash ji, बोलिए Pradeep ji, let me know what sort of issues are you facing. Send me your details via email and I'll able to assist you effectively." Well, Baljeet ji, don't worry, your payments is absolutely safe. It will be credited back to your account. Reach out to the support team again. So, Saif ji said, "Bro, I want to talk you about withdrawal issues. Let me know what sort of issues." Okay, so dear traders, if you are facing any deposit and withdrawal issues, go to this profile option available in here, right? Write down your trader ID and in the comment section mention your trader ID. As soon as we get your details, I'll make sure that our team get in touch with you on priority. So there's absolutely nothing to worry about. Sometimes, the processing unit can take considerable amount of time, but Olymptrade will make sure that it's the Olymptrade guarantee that your funds are absolutely safe and it will be credited to your account, not to anyone else, but your account. It's your hard-earned money, dear traders. So don't worry about that. I can guarantee on that part. मिस्टर जय श्री राम जी सेड हाय सर गुड इवनिंग सर कोई एक अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी बताएं देयर आर बंच ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजीज अवेलेबल एट योर डिस्पोजल बेस्ड ऑन दिस एक्सेस दैट यू हैव for starter status, advanced status, and expert status client, you can reach out. These are the different trading strategy which are available. You can use it and make sure that you take the trade little on the higher time duration, not on the shorter time duration. Mr. Yes, sir, how to control over trading? Over trading is something which is in our hand, right? So you always have a selected trading goal. Select a goal. Once you reach that goal, make sure you reach out uh, and quit the trading for that day rather than overtaking the trade at that interval. Mr. Tata Simpedji said, Radhe Radhe, sir. Good evening, sir. Mr. Helsmore said, I want risk-free trade. I wish that could have been possible. Yeah, you can you can get the risk-free trades basically from completing the trader's view here. You can reach out in here in the expert status. You will be able to check everything from the thing. I mean, these are the multiple risk-free trade that I have earned by completing the experience point on the different level. There are different levels of RFTs which you can get, but these are exclusively for the expert status client. So. Tinu Singh ji said, "Is Olymptrade will be legal for India?" There are a lot of clients has this question whether the Olymptrade is legal in India. It's absolutely possible. So a lot of questions people do have a conflict of interest in their mind. Let me tell you, in if you go ahead with the RBI guideline, there is no specific information regarding that, right? So it is absolutely safe to take the trade in Olymptrade. A lot of traders of mine are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Dubai, Nepal is also there, Kenya. Uh, so yeah, Jamaica is another country where a lot of traders are doing. So there is absolutely nothing to worry about. But in case you want a flawless payment method in future so that the deposit or withdrawal could be a lot faster, I would highly encourage you to go ahead and select the USDT payments method. These are way faster compared to all the respective payments method. If you go ahead on the deposit column, you will see USDT payments. Till now I haven't seen a single case where the client's deposit error has been happened on the USDT payments method. So yeah. There's absolutely nothing to worry. And then Olymptrade has been regulated by the Financial Commission. You can check the official website there. So yeah, it's been legal and you can use it effectively well. Mr. Saif said, I withdraw rupees 9,500 PKR in my bank card. I didn't receive. Bank card takes a certain amount of time for the withdrawals to get processed. So Olymptrade usually sends the amount on priority, but sometimes the bank withdrawal processing can take. The support team probably would have asked you to wait for 5 working days so that the amount gets reflected. I would highly encourage you to wait till the same. We instantly send the request for the withdrawal, but sometimes bank takes a lot of time to process the request. So, yeah. आशीष जी said, भाई मेरे पैसे निकलवा दो ये डिपॉजिट. आशीष जी, I would humbly request you to please share your trader ID in the comment section. I will make sure the support department will get and reach it to you on priority. That's it. All right, let's get to the conversation again. Dear traders, as we know that in the last week I have shared my market insights with you, and I'm really hoping that you were able to generate a good amount of profit. We'll try to understand the market from what we can say from the heat maps. Here, if we look into the performance of the entire market, specifically for the crypto market, and we select it for on a day basis, we can see that the market has been substantially recovering from the fall that it has. So BTC USD basically moved close to again 100, I think 85,000 dollars per BTC. So we click here BTC USD, and once it dropped down, it was a significantly lower price. So always remember, 85,000, 90,000, 95,000, these act as a good level of support and resistance. So once you have a good level of support level, 85,000 could act as a good level of support, and that's by considering that factor. Dear traders, I have shared my insights that in the last week there was a good chances for Bitcoin prices to rise. But once the Bitcoin prices started rising, the increase in the prices of alternative cryptocurrency, which include Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solana, Tron, these are also on the buying side, and that is the reason we have invested like close to $1,000 in here. We put the stop loss on the positive side, and as soon as we close our profit, we took another trade on Ethereum, and it is showing us on the profitable side. Let me know in the comment section, dear traders, how many of you have executed the trade the last way we have analyzed it today. Mr. Tinu Singh ji said, I'm an active user of Olymptrade. I trade regular and earn good amount. I want to advise them, can I make Olymptrade as my permanent profession? Sir, trading can be a permanent profession if you are willing to have a discipline. A lot of traders have a professional examples. One of my client has been trading amazingly and using like close to 1,000 to $1,200 every week. Remember this, discipline plays a pivotal point in your trading career, and that is what going to help you in your trading journey and making it as a permanent destination. Mr. Saif Vlogs, he said, by app I received the message that they were saying it is in the process and asking for 4 days. Yes, so that's true. Bank card can take a little bit amount of time since we sent the request. We send the amount to your bank account, but sometimes the bank can process a little higher. Therefore, I would highly recommend in the future transaction, please make sure that use alternative payment method or USDT payments method. These are way effective. बलजीत जी सेड ओलम ट्रेड में काफ़ी इशू आ रहे हैं, तो सर इसको थोड़ा आप चेक करते हुए, बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं. 3,000 का करीब फंसे हुए हैं और ना रिप्लेस हो रहा है ना ही क्रेडिट हो रहा है. बलजीत जी, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड टू ऑल द ट्रेडर्स, इफ़ यू हैव डिपॉजिट इशू or withdrawal issue, type your trader ID, that's your trader ID. In the comment section, mention D for deposit, W for withdrawals, and we will be able to assist you onwards. Nothing to worry about. Yash Ji said, join my new portal 20 close tomorrow. I would highly recommend you to be, do not spam in the message itself, and do not spread the false rumor, dear traders. Mr. Muhammad ji said, I first joined YouTube or any platform for learning. Learning can be done irrespective of the platform. I have started my journey very long before. When I started, the very first thing as a beginner trader you have to know is the candlestick formation. That's for true. Okay, let's begin our conversation. I think only last 10 minutes are remaining. So my analysis for the crypto was good. So we took a considerable amount of profit on the cryptocurrency. There are a lot of events happened recently in the financial market. Let me show you my economic calendar to give you a brief introduction and how do I executed my trades on the different intervals. Apart from this, if you look into the futures market, or we can say the index market, index is slightly on the recovery side. Therefore, you can see S&P 500, Nasdaq, Russell 200, even crude oil inventories are also rising, and there is another, we can see that the price of gold is on the higher side. So one thing for sure, recently the consumer price index data was been released in the last week, and if you remember when we talked about consumer price index, the consumer price index basically shows negative data for the entire month of November. Let me show you these details. On 18th or 19th, I believe the consumer price index data was released. So let me just select that our standard time frame. Let me know in the comment section if you do not know how to check the economic calendar. I will be more than happy to assist you on. Consumer price index, I think it was 18, and yeah, on 18 the consumer price index was released. And here from the fact that we can see exactly at 7 o'clock, this is according to the Indian Standard Time GMT of plus 530, core CPI was red. That means the complete consumer price index was red. So once the data for USD is being read, we can check and cross confirm it by checking the candles. We can check the USD JPY. The date is exactly on 18th of December. So we go ahead and switch our graph to 5 minutes and we'll go to 18th of December. Okay, 17, 18. So we probably see a red, we need to see a red candle in this. And here exactly at 7 o'clock the data was released. From the economic calendar we can confirm that 7 o'clock was the data release time, and the market basically moved into the bearish sentiment, went with a very drastic fall of the candle, and the market keeps on pushing itself into the downward direction exactly at the same event. Now when the CPI data was released, one of the best entry that you will be able to take were on gold, because when the CPI prices decreases, the prices of gold has to be on the higher side. And here we can see from the candle itself the market rose tremendously, and starting from that points onward the value of gold has been increased. There was this one beautiful question was asked in the beginning, what are your predictions for the silver? In my opinion, gold will try to break over 4500 level very soon, and that is the reason why we are holding our position on gold from a very long time. Our profitability was 1300 in the last webinar, and now it is and surged to 1672. That's an excellent way that we are seeing on the positive side. So yeah, these are the best moments in the financial market. Apart from this, there was another Bank of England interest rate decisions was taken, and it was the interest rate was decreased by 25 basis point. Every time Bank of Japan decreases, Bank of England decreases the interest rate. Knowing the fact, what we did, we basically we took one trade. Let me just show you here. So British pound was the data on which the data was released, or the British pound, and here exactly before even the market collapse has happened, we have taken the trade, we make the profit, and we left the market, right? So this week we possibly can see some growth in the value of USD, and US dollar and Japanese yen has been continuously increasing. The reason behind that is Bank of Japan on Friday increased the interest rate by 25 basis point. Last time it has 25.5% interest rate. This time they increased the interest rate to 0.75. Because of which, if you remember, dear investors, I told you that the USD JPY could had good chances to rise from 8 to 9 a.m. exactly in the morning, and that is why the market started rising. And here the example I'll show you on 19th of December 8:30 on Japanese yen, from 8 to 9 the market started rising, and here we can see from this point onwards the markets keep on pushing itself in the upward direction. I think I missed your comment. Let me just go through your comments once again. Should I go for gold in forex? In forex, right now I would recommend you to wait for some corrections to happen in gold, because in gold there will be some sort of corrections can happen, and if the value of gold decreases below 4,400, or let's just suppose, yeah, 4,400 or 4,350 or 40 maybe, it will be a good opportunity to buy and hold your position with 20x multiplier for the longer time. Mr. Mushtaq ji said how bonus works. So the bonus basically was, you can basically go to this help option here, and in the education channel you can write down bonus, and every details regarding the bonus will be available to you. Right now it is not showing it to us. We can also go to help center. Our network probably is on little on the jittery side, but yeah, you can go to help option here, and in education type bonus, and every details will associate will be released for you. Navneet ji said, will you trade live, sir? For today's analysis, our objective of the stream to make you aware that how the Maya financial market gonna behave. One good news for you, dear traders, starting from the next month, we will have earning season lined up. Now earning season is one of the best ways to make a good amount of profit in the financial market, so keep a very closer look on in the upcoming stream onwards. I'll be sharing my point of view on that as well. Thank you very much for the beautiful comment. I'm first of all, I'm very overwhelmed by the comments that you are sharing. Thank you very much. There is this one question, सर, 1 साल बाद आज ओलम ट्रेड में ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ, सिर्फ एक ही वजह से, इमोशन पता नहीं है, इस बार क्या होगा कुछ बोलिए ना, इमोशन कंट्रोल कैसे करो? सर, you have to have a control on your emotion. For that you can select a take profit, that means your profit for the day. Once you make the substantial amount of profit, closing the trade would be something that would be an effective option for you. Mr. Tinu Singh ji said, thank you sir, you're welcome. Mr. Muhammad Shehfal ji said, Olymptrade, now I want to recover all my money. Sir, if you wish to recover your money, you have to have a plan. If you look into my trading history, a lot of traders do make a mistake that they go ahead with a very high amount on fixed time trading. But remember, a slightly higher than 1 minute's duration, and with a perfect strategy, a strategy that you can learn from the financial analyst himself. If you have an expert status, my colleagues will be more than happy to assist you, helping you out in this creating the strategy. You can reach out to the supports and schedule a session with the financial analyst. If you have advanced and expert status, just like I have advanced and expert status, reach out to the financial analyst team, and we will be able to create a customized recovery plan for you. Mr. Mohammed ji said, now I am in profit 2.5 lakhs. Congratulations to you. Mr. Pradeep ji said, Akash, why aren't you conducting these sessions in Hindi? Since this basically, like, we have bunch of sessions available entirely in the week, but my main objective is to reach many clients as possible, and since it's a market analysis, we are targeting the audience entirely from the different places, not only from India but from the different places over the country as well. So therefore the main objective of this conversation to spread this information amongst all the traders and let them know that the trading is not that difficult. That is the reason the webinars have been conducted into the English language. So in the future, most probably, we cannot never know, but yeah, most probably in the future you will be able to see that. But in case you are willing to know about few more webinars, so subscribe to Olymptrade Practice, hit that like button and share it amongst your friend, and let us know how do you feel about this session. We as a community are trying to grow each other and make some money in the financial market. Mr. Mohammed ji said, you guys trend in Olymptrade but carefully. Yes, Aditya ji said, sir, why SMA and RSI is not combined as strategy? It does, it does. So SMA is a different combination. It depends for how many candlestick you are observing the candle for. So yeah, it depends. I often have used RSI along with SMA, but I use different combinations like SMA 50 and 100 there. Mr. Manojji said, chat read. I have read your chat, Manojji. Please let me know. Manojji said, Sikado sir, please do not spam in the comment section. It will be helpful for all the traders to, comment, and I will be able to respond to that. Hello, क्या मैं ऑलम ट्रेड डेली कर सकता हूँ? मनोज जी said, absolutely you can do trading every day, but remember, trade wisely, do not over trade. Pankaj ji said withdrawal नहीं मिला है. Pankaj ji, reach out to the support team. In case not, reach out. First of all, go to profile option, type your trader ID, comment in the comment session. Even though I am not available on the stream, but I'll make sure that you will get a reach from the customer support department. They will be able to help you out effectively well. So that was the session from my end. In fact, I have to have a lot of conversations with you regarding for this week, but keep a very closer look on the market. Gold has a good chances of rising, but before rising, there might be some sort of corrections can happen. And once the correction can happen, you can put your prices on gold and even on the silver on the buying side. I'm very positive on the growth of the Bitcoin in the upcoming days. So yeah, we can expect some positive changes from the cryptocurrency market as well. So that is it. I wish I could have more time, but thank you very much for having me for today. It was wonderful having conversations with you. Thank you for sharing all your doubts and your issues regarding deposit and withdrawal. But yeah, I will be more than happy if you type your trader ID along with deposit and withdrawal issues. Our support will team will take care of this. Thank you very much for having me for today. My name is Akash Malhotra and I'll be signing out for today. Take care of yourself and have a great day ahead, dear traders.